There's nothing more satisfying to a car fan than a clean and shiny vehicle. A trip to your local car wash may result in scratches on your paintwork from rough materials or lack of shine from inferior car shampoos, or worse yet, dishwashing liquid. With the right products, you can get the superior polish and shine at home at a fraction of the cost. The Holts Car Care Kit is the perfect companion for a home wash and polish. The kit comes with everything you need, besides the water that is. Wash to remove dirt and grime using the sponge and Holts Shampoo and Shine. Polish with the Holts Classic Polish and the Mutton cloth, which is soft and gentle to prevent scratching. To finish, add some Holts screen wash and water to your window washer tank for when you're on the road and need to remove traffic foam, insects, dirt, and quickly effectively for a smear-free finish. Developed with our customers in mind, Holts products can be relied upon to deal with car care challenges. For a DIY professional car wash at home, get yourself a Holts Car Care Kit. Holts solves problems, from flat tires to leaking radiators and seized brakes. We help professionals get the job done. Like us on Facebook or visit our website to view the full range on offer.